Greetings barbers, this is Max from Stag, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cut length in longer hair. So, with the client's head forward, we're going to cut through the comb. Or if you feel more comfortable, you can work through your fingers. So we put in the main length. What we're going to do now is we're going to work sections up through the hair, bringing each section down onto the previous and then cutting using the guideline that we've already put in. And so you can see that's falling quite nicely. Mitch's hair here is quite thick, a bit wavy, so I'm taking smaller sections just to make sure I don't build up any unwanted graduation. Like so. You want to be combing the hair into natural fall. Take the comb, same tension throughout. Obviously we've gone through and we club cut that area. What you can do as well, you can point cut that too. Through and we club cut that area. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly work along over to the sides. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it slightly longer at the front just to give myself a bit more room to manoeuvre. Obviously when we come through to layering the technique or otherwise, it just gives us a little bit more hair to play with. Generally I find the more textured I create this guideline by taking this length up, the more masculine it kind of feels. You can go through and cut everything quite clinical, quite clean, but I just think it generally looks a little bit better being a bit softer. Making sure to cross check, make sure we've got balance. Take a little bit more off this area. Just take that corner off. So you can use any scissor, whatever's your preference really. I'm using a 6-inch DS Plus. Prefer an offset scissor personally. I don't like anything too big. Make sure you work cleanly, get the hair that you don't want out. So you'll find that I'm taking less hair off the front compared to the back because it will come across slightly longer at the front. So as we work towards the crown, I'm just going to work keeping smaller sections, working now more towards the front.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like or subscribe down there, or if you want to see another video straight away, check out some of these.